In the world of gaming, productivity, and performance, one tool makes all the difference: the mechanical keyboard. It's not just a typing device, it's your command center, your weapon, your daily driver. And in 2025, mechanical keyboards have reached an entirely new level with next-gen switches, wireless freedom, customizable layouts, and game-changing precision. These are the top 10 best mechanical keyboards of 2025, tested, trusted, and built to elevate your every keystroke. Let's get started. Number 10. Reedragon K649 Pro. Kicking off our list is the Reedragon K649 Pro, an affordable 75% mechanical keyboard that delivers surprising value. With hot swappable switches, tri-mode connectivity, USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4s, and full RGB backlighting, it punches well above its weight class. Despite its low price, the build quality is sturdy and reliable. Ideal for beginners or budget-conscious users who want performance without compromise, the K649 Pro is proof that a great mechanical keyboard doesn't have to cost a fortune. Number 9. Razer Black Widow V4 Pro. At number 9, we have the Razer Black Widow V4 Pro, built for serious gamers and streamers. Featuring Razer green or yellow switches, per key RGB lighting, and a dedicated command dial, it's packed with advanced features. You also get dedicated macro keys, a plush magnetic wrist rest, and deep software integration with Razer Synapse. It's bold, responsive, and built for battle, especially if you're already in the Razer ecosystem. Number 8. Logitech GPro XTKL 2025. Next up is the newly refreshed Logitech GPro XTKL, optimized for esports and competitive play. This 10-keyless powerhouse features GX mechanical switches, dual-shot PBT keycaps, and low-latency LIGHT SEPI-EED wireless, all in a compact, travel-friendly form factor. Logitech also added USB-C and improved durability in this 2025 model. If you're a gamer who values speed, portability, and wireless reliability, this one's a top-tier pick. Number 7. Keyron Q1 Pro. At number 7, the Keyron Q1 Pro brings enthusiast-grade features to a broader audience. This 75% layout, hot swappable, fully customizable board includes an aluminum CNC machined frame, wireless connectivity, and QMK/VIA support. The typing feel is exceptional, thanks to factory lube stabilizers and gasket-mounted construction. For mechanical keyboard enthusiasts who love to tweak every detail, the Q1 Pro is an absolute gem. Number 6. SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. Number 6 goes to the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Wireless, known for its innovative OmniPoint 2.0 switches. These magnetic switches allow you to adjust actuation points from 0.2 to 3.8 AM, perfect for customizing each key to your personal touch. It also boasts an OLED smart display, 2.4s wireless, and aluminum alloy construction. It's sleek, smart, and incredibly versatile, one of the most advanced keyboards on the market today. Number 5. Corsair K70 Max. The Corsair K70 Max is built for gamers who demand maximum precision. It features Corsair MGX adjustable magnetic switches, per key RGB, a dedicated media wheel, and full AXON hyperprocessing for ultra-fast response time. Combine that with Corsair IQ software, onboard memory, and premium materials, and you've got a flagship keyboard that's ready for anything. Number 4. Ducky 13SF. The Ducky 13SF is a 65% mechanical keyboard that combines performance with aesthetic charm. Known for its smooth stabilizers, high-quality double-shot PBT keycaps, and hot swappable PCB, this board is a favorite among typists and gamers alike. Ducky's V2 firmware also improves response time and RGB customization. If you want a compact plug-and-play keyboard with a premium feel, this one hits the sweet spot. Number 3. ASUS ROG Azoth is a feature-packed 75% mechanical keyboard that caters to both gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. It features a gasket-mounted design, tri-mode connectivity, lubed NX switches, and a customizable OLED display with a control knob. The build is rock solid, with a metal top plate and internal foam dampening layers. It's a serious board for serious users who want both tactile luxury and gaming efficiency in one. Number 2. Glorious GMMK Pro. Taking the runner-up spot is the legendary Glorious GMMK Pro. Loved for its modularity, gasket mount system, and aluminum body, the GMMK Pro offers a near-endless range of customization. It's compatible with virtually any switch or keycap set and has support for QMK/VIA for full key remapping. With buttery typing, a clean aesthetic, and enthusiast-level potential, this keyboard has earned its place among the best. Number 1. Mode Envoy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mode Envoy, the best mechanical keyboard of 2025. Precision engineered with a stunning minimalist design, the Envoy offers a gasket mount typing experience, premium materials, and endless customizability. With countless switch and plate options, this board feels truly tailor-made. It's the perfect fusion of form, function, and feel, a mechanical keyboard that satisfies pros, purists, and power users alike. And there you have it, the top 10 best mechanical keyboards of 2025. Whether you're gaming, working, or just enjoying the perfect keystroke, there's something here for every kind of user. Which keyboard are you using right now or planning to buy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech roundups.